Good morning guys. Today is Wednesday. So, cleaning time. Actually, kahit anong araw naman cleaning time basta pag naisipan kong maglinis. Ngayon, samahan nyo ako maglinis ng window. Actually, I already cleaned window in our room, Raiden and I room, and now I'm in my husband room. So, we are separate we are separate room kasi nagbe-breastfeeding ako. So, dito kasi, nung maliit pa si Raiden, etong room na to, etong bed na to, is kasya kami dyan. Nung marunong na siyang gumulong, nag-change na kami ng room. So, maglilinis lang muna ako. Ito yung room ni Raiden. Ito yung playroom ni Raiden. At the same time, yung wardrobe namin. Kaya kung makikita nyo, maraming toys. So, ginawa na namin sa play area ni Raiden. Tsaka, wardrobe. Actually, ito yung original na namin. Parang lagay ng mga damit. Tapos, ginawa na namin siyang also play area ni Raiden. Kasi nga, yung sa baba, hindi pwede dun. Kasi nagtatapon-tapon siya ng mga toys. Tapos, delikado kasi yung TV namin malaki. Pag nagtapon siya doon, lalo na pag mga hard objects, pwedeng, mabasag yung kinuha ko yung wipes, linis ako ng bintana dito. Meron kami mga plants. Lahat ng rooms, all our rooms, we have all plants in our room. So, let's clean it. Tapos na ako maglinis dito sa taas. Tapos na yung 3 rooms. Sa baba naman ako, pero medyo maingay sa baba, guys. Kasi nagpe-play ng music si Mister, tapos si Raiden naglalaro sa labas, ay sa sala. So guys, balikan ko kayo mamaya.
wants to say hello to all viewers. My wife is cleaning. She's doing very good job. I love you so much.
Oh my goodness, it's not like that, babe. So, ngayon magmamap naman tayo. Tapos, inuuna ko muna kasi dito sa taas, maglinis bago yung baba. So, ngayon magmamap na ako dito. Yeah. And then, dyan. Ito yung birthing bulb ko na gamit nung buntis ako. Nandito pa siya kasi, syempre, nilalaro ko din siya kapag nag-exercise ako tsaka si Raiden. Nilalaro niya. You want milk? Yeah?
Funny.
Funny? How are you?
More fish. More fish.
More snacks? Okay, you want me to get more snacks?
Oh.
Okay, just wait a second, okay? I will get more
Mommy,
snacks.
but you have to use different camera because it's not very quality. No, I don't.
Chyba już mam film, ale wezmę je na... Nie mam innej możliwości.
Yeah.
W tej firmie, która
Very
podaje
slowly.
środek, to jest takie dodatkowe zabezpieczenie. Na 2 lata spłat. Dobra,
Yeah.
5 tysięcy miesięcznie będę
Mommy.
Yeah.
sporo kasy,
Look.
ale będzie...
Daddy.
Yeah.
Daddy.
Yes, I'm here.
Daddy.
Hi, I'm here.
Hi.
How are you doing, guys?
No, pass. Ready.
Oh, are you gonna be a future vlogger? Raiden? Are you gonna be a future vlogger?
And you sit.
Yes, say, hi guys, take care.
Take care.
See you soon.
So
Bye-bye. Oh, not yet, not yet. Okay, not yet. I thought you want to say bye-bye. Too soon to say bye-bye. Say, how you guys doing?
this. Let's sit. Let's sit. Let's chew. Look this. Look this. These are the ones. These are the ones. Kiss.
Hi guys. It's very sweet. Oh, my baby boy, sweet boy. Hi guys.
The kiss. Kiss. Mama. Kiss. The. Sit.